What doesn't? I mean, I would recommend doing that while we're here.
All right.
It's always best to work from the top down, and it could use a shining and a buffing, make it look really nice, and even behind here too as well.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's moved this.
I know, we would do that though. Do all of that. I mean, we would just make it all go away. I mean, we would do the sides, the insides, up under the grits, the eyes, the grates, everything. I mean, we would just make it look all of this here, even this here. See that right there?
Yeah.
Make all that go away. I mean, all across here. I mean, I know what you want, but I just like for the client to tell me what he wants.
Yeah,
What do he want the end results to be?
Cleaned up. Make it look good. That's about it.
And that's what we would do too.
All right.
Let me ask you this here too now, Mike. Um, because when it comes to restaurant cleaning, it can be somewhat infinite, and we can go to the end of the earth if you'd like us to. But then again, nobody has unlimited expenses either.
Right.
Right? So we need to make a bullet point, okay? That's very important. And you can gauge your performance so you know where this is going. Because,
So basically, it's the stove,
uh-huh,
these cabinets,
okay.
this grease out here.
Do you want exterior done first and interior first, the appliances like the stove and the ovens?
Right.
Yeah.
Inside the cabinets, I guess, are fine. We don't have to worry about that. Do you have a grease trap? You guys clean those out?
You mean the grease trap? That's a suction. I'll have a company come do it, okay?
Okay.
That's fine, not a problem. We'll take care of that for you too. Where's your grease trap at? Where in the floor?
That's
Oh, it's right down there. Let me take a look. Oh yeah, they have to suck that out.
Right.
Now let me ask you this here too. Now, if they did come, you have a side door here. I'll see the logistics as far as where we would bag up to, cause the tank truck probably come to the same location we would come in.
Right. There's actually a door.
We'll take a look at that too.
Yeah.
Take a look at all of that. So we can make all the stainless steel shine, gloss. That's why I was wondering if you took a look at our before and after, so you know the